Malaysia is set to bolster its air defence capabilities. The Royal Malaysian Air Force, or RMAF, is acquiring a fleet of FA-18 Hornet fighter jets. These jets are coming from Kuwait in a significant deal. This acquisition marks a major step for Malaysia. The FA-18 Hornets are known for their capabilities. They are powerful and versatile aircraft. The jets will significantly enhance the RMAF's operational reach. This move reflects Malaysia's commitment to modernizing its military. The deal between Malaysia and Kuwait is mutually beneficial. Kuwait is phasing out its FA-18 fleet. Malaysia gets a good deal on these capable aircraft. The deal strengthens ties between the two nations. The acquisition comes at a time of growing regional security concerns. Malaysia is keen on enhancing its defence posture. This deal allows Malaysia to do so cost-effectively. It's a strategic win for both countries. The FA-18 Hornets are renowned for their versatility. They can perform both fighter and attack roles effectively. They are equipped with advanced radar and weapon systems. The Hornets are capable of air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. Their speed and maneuverability make them formidable opponents. The Hornets have a proven track record in various theatres of operation. They will provide Malaysia with a significant tactical advantage. Section 4. Securing the skies. Malaysia's strategic edge. The acquisition of FA-18 Hornets is strategically significant. It enhances Malaysia's ability to defend its airspace. It also strengthens Malaysia's position in the South China Sea. The region is witnessing increasing tensions and territorial disputes. These jets provide Malaysia with a credible deterrent capability. The Hornets will enhance interoperability with allied air forces. This move sends a clear signal about Malaysia's commitment to regional security. Section 5. Regional ripples, shifting dynamics in Southeast Asia. Malaysia's acquisition of FA-18 Hornets has regional implications. It alters the balance of air power in Southeast Asia. Other nations in the region are also modernizing their militaries. This move could lead to an arms race in the region. However, it could also promote dialogue on regional security. Malaysia's enhanced capabilities might foster stability. It's crucial for regional players to engage in diplomacy and cooperation. Join
Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.